Hi all. So today we're going to see some beautiful printed Dora silk sarees. All these have beautiful shine and has a beautiful fall. And the best part is these have chikankari work scallop border on all the sarees and comes with a heavy worked blouse. So the one I'm wearing now is a beautiful multi-shaded saree which has beautiful shades of all pastel colors like pink, purple, green, blue and everything in pastels. And it has nice sequin worked scallop border and sequin worked booties all over the saree. And it comes with a light green shade blouse. Next one is a beautiful batik printed sari. So this has a nice shade of a mix of purple and royal blue in it. Has a running pallu as you can see with border all along the sides. It has a nice chikankari work scallop border on both sides of the sari. A lovely color. Shades of purple, light purple, dark purple and all that. So all these saris comes with a raw silk blouse like this with full embroidery on it. So it comes with embroidery for the sleeve as well. Has a nice sheen and a nice glow. So all these sarees are priced at rupees 2,870. This one is one of my favorite prints in this entire series. A lovely light pinkish peach with pink florals on it. Has again a nice scalloped chikankari worked border with sequins, and it has small booties all over the sari in sequin work. Again a raw silk embroidered blouse which has embroidery for the front, back and for the sleeve. So it's very easy to drape. Even if you are a person who is starting to drape saris, it's very easy. You can just leave it in a nice floating way as they have prints all over. Just see, so easy, and the fall is very nice as you can see. Very easy to drape, lightweight, and that is as a nice fall. This one is again my favorite because the color, how the color radiates from dark tea green to lighter shade of blue with floral print all over the sari, a running pallu with scallop border on all sides, and it has scallop border all over the sari with booties also all over the sari. Lovely color, very unique one. Again, this comes with a raw silk embroidered blouse for the front, back and for the sleeves. A lovely sari this is. So I suggest these saris if you're looking to wear for your college farewells, school farewells and all that, and nice parties, birthday parties, any parties and all. This is a very nice party looking sari because it's not a traditional one. The next ones are similar to what I'm wearing. So all these are pastel shades with multiple colors on it. This has a nice pink, sea green, lighter shade of brown and all that on it. So these saris are all resort types, so you can wear it for photo shoots, parties and all that. Again, this has a nice scallop border, booties all over the sari, and a running pallu with scallop border. A very beachy type saris where you can just wear it. It looks so pretty for beaches, photo shoots and all that. So next one is again a beautiful pastel shaded sari with lovely colors on it, blue, green, pink, orange, yellow, everything on it. So again, this is a nice resort types, a beach photo shoot type of sari, and a pretty sari for brunches, for parties and all that. It has a running pallu with scallop border and the booties all over the sari again. Comes with a fully embroidered raw silk blouse. Lovely sari. When you wear it with this blouse, it will just elevate the look of the sari because this is a very beautiful shade of pink. So again, all these saris are priced at rupees 2,870. A lovely, beautiful drape. This one again is a lovely milk chocolate color. Beautiful pastel shades for very rare find again. Comes with a running pallu with scallop border and sequin worked embroidery all over the sari. It is bought on both sides of the sari. So the best part is the blouse because it is embroidery all over and it just elevates that pastel look of the sari, it just highlights it. The last one is same as what I'm wearing but in different colors. So it has darker shade of purple, lavender, green, yellow and all that on it. Comes with a running pallu, a nice scallop chikankari work border and booties all over the sari. And again the best part is the blouse. with fully embroidered raw silk blouse in a lovely lilac color. So the blouse colors the best part of this series because they just elevate the entire look of this pastel sarees. This designer look, you get these sarees at rupees 2,870. It's just worth it for this kind of designer look. To purchase all these beautiful designer wear sarees, you can contact us on WhatsApp to screenshot these sarees. The numbers are there in the description below. Also, you can place your orders on our website, MESMAA.com. You can also drop into our store, which is located in Ananatha, Chennai. Thank you so much for watching.